Today we are going to create a rose window design using a radial pattern. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to start out with our square black piece of paper and fold it down the center. Make sure you get a good crease because we have to fold our paper several times. You can use your pencil or any other writing utensil to help create a good fold. Then fold it one more time, doing the same thing. And now we're going to fold it into a triangle. Make sure that all of your open areas are at the same side. So you want to make sure that the center point is where my thumb is. Next, you're going to create a curved line that you will be cutting off. So this is going to end up being a circle. So if you were to cut off just a triangle, small triangle piece, that would also give you closer to a circle shape. But if you curve it to the outside corners, you'll end up with a complete circle, or close to it. Be sure to unfold to make sure that you have a complete circle. Refold your paper the way that you originally had it. The next step is to add shapes that you're going to cut out of your circle. The tip can have a line that goes on one side and off the other. Every other shape that you draw needs to enter and exit on the same side of your triangle as you begin. You can create curved lines or straight lines. It doesn't have to be any specific shape. I'm creating a diamond shape that goes off the edge of my page. So remember, whatever side you enter your paper on, you exit the same side. We are not going to be cutting the outside curved edge, only the two sides of our paper. Make sure that you don't make these too small, because these are going to be the openings that we will fill with tissue paper. Once you are done drawing all of your shapes, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to cut out those shapes using scissors. Be very careful, keep your papers tight together. If you go off the lines that you originally created, that's fine, just leave it be. You just do not want to cut all the way through your triangle piece. The important thing is that you're making sure to leave black paper in between each of your shapes. Don't make them all connect. This might be a little bit challenging because you're cutting through multiple layers of paper. Once you cut out all the shapes, you can open up your design. Now you should have a repeating pattern that goes around in a radial design. That means it is a circular design. You're going to choose 3 colors of tissue paper to use for this project. I only want you to use 3 because we want to use a limited color scheme. Whatever shapes you decide to create one color, every shape that is the same as that one should have the same color. As you're doing this, make sure that you're cutting out a piece that will cover the whole area that you want to cover. As you cut it out, you also might see that you're going to need to cut some pieces away in order to not have that color show up on a different area. For this one, I'm going to need to cut out a little triangle so that my diamond shape doesn't get covered. I'm going to speed up this process so you can see the end result.